CMA Foundation on Results 2023 for the June session will be released on 9th August 2023. The candidates can follow the steps given below to check and download their CMA results for 2023. Step 1. Candidates must visit the official website of ICMAI and click on the Examination tab. Step 2. Click on the result link available on the drop-down menu. Step 3. The link will be redirected to display a list of links for the results of different exams for each term. Select the link for the correct exam. Step 4. A new window will open. Candidates will have to click on the online results link. Step 5. Candidates are not required to enter the identification number and click View Result. Step 6. Finally, the candidates can click on the download option to download the result for future reference. Thank you for watching, and for more exciting information check out our website at www.getmyuni.com.